In this video of Forensic 9.0, we will review the denoising filter. This enhancement panel allows you to tune processing algorithms used to adjust the smoothness or the amount of noise or texture of the final reconstructed image. Here we have an image of a dark train, and we'll go ahead, first thing we'll go ahead and turn on the denoising. As you can see, it smooths it out a little bit. This image is a little dark, so we'll go ahead and turn on automatic brightness. Let's go over what these intensity, focus, and scale features do. Intensity lower values will have more of a denoising effect in the flat regions, but the textured regions will become blurry. Higher values will have less of a denoising effect in flat regions, but better edge and corner reconstructions in textured regions. So let's give this a test here. Move that up. Let's see some of these changes. And focus, higher values will increase the influence of pixels which are far away, thus causing the frame to look blurry for the highest value. Lower values will decrease the influence of pixels which are far away. Let's go ahead and use our slider. And then our scale. This parameter is used to upscale the image resolution, similar to the super resolution parameter in the resolution filter, which is right here. Available options depend on the input resolution and can be 1, 2, 3, or 4 times. For example, applying a scale factor of 2 to an input video with a resolution of 320 by 240 results in a video with a resolution of 640 by 480. So let's just try this out. Let's change this. We can see a comparison here. This is the before and this is the after. And that is the denoising filter.